Stabilizing a footage on CapCut PC is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to show you how to stabilize video on CapCut PC. So for that we have our clip over here. We're just going to drag it to the timeline, and this is the video which is pretty shaky. So I'm going to tell you how to stabilize it. Process of stabilizing is pretty easy. What you have to do is you have to make sure you're selecting the footage you want to stabilize. After that you see all of these options. Make sure you're at the video section, and here you can be at the mask cutout, but you have to be at the basic section. Now here you have to scroll down until you see this option called stabilize. You just have to click on that option. If you can't see that option, it might be hidden. You just have to click on this tiny arrow. It will pop up. After doing that, you have to select the setting. You guys can do this minimum cut, most stable, recommended. It totally depends upon you what type of stabilization you want. After doing that, it will start processing automatically. As you guys can see, it is already have been processed 90%, and it will be done in few more seconds. And now our video has been completely stabilized by CapCut. If you play this video, as you guys can see, this video is pretty smooth than before. So that's how we do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.